variations and modifications until you get to the perfect part, and then you can smooth it out and then print it without any lines at all, or close to none. Anyhow, this is going pretty well. This is part 2 of the video, and I'm happy with the results so far, so I'm hoping that it will continue well so that we can do the second wing, and then we'll be on our way. With wings this size, with a body nice and large like this, we should be able to put in electronics, and hopefully we'll get this to be able to fly. Maybe attach some of the landing gear from Hobby Zone or Horizon Hobby, which is really good. It's worked well for our other projects, and so hopefully we won't smash it into pieces when it lands. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.
Likey.